Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Digital Marathon series of videos where we are going to ask you 42 challenges, and we already had asked 16 challenges from you. And you have participated very well. Thank you so much for your participation. And now without wasting much time, let us get started and see your next challenge. The challenge is on your screen where you have to design an XOR gate with the minimum number of NAND gates. And this is very commonly asked interview question also, and it is going to be very interesting. Now you can pause my video here, try to think of its answer. If you come to know its answer, please write it down in the comment section and I will definitely reply there. Friends, I hope that all of you are enjoying this video series, and if you like this video, please press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section. And in future also, we are going to create many such interactive sessions. So to be aligned with our channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification of all the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching and your support.